Now next, we try to write Roman numbers and Hindu Arabic numerals. First of all, we will start with the number 1. You all know number 1 can be written as like this. Number 5 from the table, you know the value can be written like this. For 10 it is written as like this. If I have to write for 15, how I can write? Like this. Recalling the rules, according to rules I can like this, write like this. Then 20, and the multiplication rule we did like that. If I have to write 25, 25 can be written as 20 like this and 5. Okay. Then 29, if you have to write 20, first of all 20 is written like this. Then 9, write 9 like this. Now 30, for 13 multiplication rule we did 3x can multiply like this. Okay, if I have to write 35, 35 for 30 is written like this and we'll put 5 like this. Now 40, 40 we did it in subtraction rule, remember? It can be written like this, XL. You have to remember 40 is always written like XL. Then 50 from the table, remember this, the value of 50 is always L. Now you have to write 55, you will write L and V. Then 60, for 60 you will write 50, 15 and plus 10. 50 plus 10 which is equals to 60. So for 50 L and for 10 is X. Now you have to write 90. We did 90 also in subtraction rule, written as XC. Remember this. So these are some values which you have to remember always. Like these values. And these symbols for these values. So 90 is always written as XC. Then C having value 100. This all you all know from the table. Now if I have to write 109. For 109 C is written for 109. So it means 100 plus 9. Then 150. For 150 for C the value is 100. Okay, C for value C for C value is 100. 100 plus 50. Now for 100 the symbol is C. For 50 the symbol is L. You can write the sum of or a subtraction of two numbers, or you can write the multiplication two numbers, then you give to the symbol to that number. Then next, if I have to write 190, how we can write 190? CXC. So CXC. Then 200. 200 is for CC. This depends upon multiplication rule. If I have to write 249, I'll write 249 CC XL9. So what is the meaning of this? Meaning of this is for this 100, for this C 100, now L and X. X is smaller than L. L has a value 50. So you have to minus this number 10. And this is 1 and 9. 1 and 10. 1 has a value 1 and 10 has a value 10. They are in order from decreasing to increasing. So it is 200 plus 40 plus, sorry, here it is 10 minus 1. Subtraction rule is again here. This is 9. So answer is 249. We'll take one more example. I have to write 350. How will I write 350? 3 for C, 300. And L for 50. It is 350. Then 400. For 400, what do you write? We write CD. So what is CD means? So C is having value smaller than D. C is having 100 value, D is having 500 value. So subtraction rule is applicable over here. 500 minus 100. So this is 400. So remember always 400 is always written as CD. Then I have to write 650. How can I write 650? It is DCL. So 650 is DCL. D is having higher value, having 500. C is having 100 and L is having 50. So these are in one order. So 500 will write, it is applicable, addition rule is applicable over here. 500 plus 100 plus 50. So answer is 650. 900, you all know how can write 900. In subtraction rule we did CM. That is 1000 minus 100. Okay. If I have to write 1000, 1000 is written as M only. I have to write 1250. For 1250 I can write MCCL. M has a value 1000, C has a value 100, 100 and L has a value 50. So addition rule is applicable over here. 1000 plus 100 plus 100 and 50. Whose answer is 1250. So these are some numbers. Depending upon the rules, multiplication rule, addition rule, subtraction rule, we can write these numbers in Roman form like this. But you have to see that if we can multiply two numbers, that is only 4 numbers that can be symbols can be multiplied. I, X, C and M only 3 times. Okay. Then you have to see if the smaller number is written on right side of the greater number or on left side of the greater number. So according to that, you have to add and you have to subtract and you have to write these symbols. To remember these symbols also given in your worksheet. So remember this. Thank you.